Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's Power BI tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to add and customize totals and subtotals in a matrix visual. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your Power BI matrices not only display important summaries, but also look much more polished and professional. Whether you're just starting out with Power BI or want to add a little finesse to your reports, you're in the perfect place. So let's dive right in. First off, open up Power BI. I'm working with a simple sample matrix that I've got ready here, but you can use any data set you like. What really matters is that you have your matrix visual all set up. Think of it like a table displaying data summarized along two or more categories. Now you might notice that by default, Power BI will show a grand total at the bottom and right side of your matrix. That's great, but sometimes those totals don't stand out enough, or they might not quite fit the style of your report. That's what we're here to fix today, making those total rows and columns not only do their job but look great doing it. Here, how we do it. First, click on your matrix visual to select it. You'll know it's selected because you'll see the border around it and maybe a few little handles. Once it's highlighted, head over to the Visualizations pane. This is where you control all the formatting magic. It's on the right side of your Power BI window, usually under Format Your Visuals. Give the paint roller icon a click and then choose Visual to open up all the settings we need. Now find the section labeled Column Grand Total. Go ahead and expand that area. This is where you can really start customizing how your column totals appear. If you want to change the font, maybe make your total bigger, bolder, or a different color to help it pop, this is exactly where you do that. You can also adjust background colors. Maybe you want the total to have a gentle highlight like a yellow or gray just to draw the viewer's eye. This subtle change can make a world of difference, especially when you're presenting your reports in a meeting and you want the key figures to stand out instantly. But don't stop there. Just below you'll find the option for Row Grand Total. Click this open as well. Here you can tweak the formatting of your row totals in a similar way. Matching these styles is usually a good idea. It keeps your report looking clean and consistent. If you want to get creative, you can even use contrasting highlights for row and column totals, just to help the reader quickly see what's what. And remember, don't worry if your matrix is a bit larger or more complex. It might take a moment for the changes to preview, but Power BI will update the look as soon as it can. Once you're happy with the look of both your column and row grand totals, that's it. You've successfully made your matrix both easier to read and more visually impactful. It's a small change, but it really goes a long way. Think of totals and subtotals as the summary or headline of your data, and you want them to grab attention for all the right reasons. So I hope this helped you gain more control over your Power BI visuals. If you have any questions, or there's a tricky situation you're trying to solve with your reports, drop a comment below. I love helping you out. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy analyzing!